For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a flower shop can be a rewarding business venture for those who love creativity, nature, and connecting with customers. Flowers have a timeless appeal and cater to various occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, and everyday life moments. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline many aspects of launching and running your flower shop, from market research and business planning to marketing and customer engagement. This step-by-step guide will help you start your flower shop business using free AI efficiently. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI assistance. Before you invest time and money, understand the local demand, competition, and customer preferences. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Google's Bard to gather market insights quickly. You can ask AI for an overview of flower industry trends, popular flower types, peak seasons, and pricing strategies in your area. Example ChatGPT prompt. Provide a detailed overview of the flower shop market trends in your city or region, including popular flowers, peak sales periods, and common customer preferences. You can also use AI to analyze competitors by inputting their business names or websites and asking for strengths, weaknesses, and unique selling points. This helps you find gaps in the market you can fill. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI. A clear business plan outlines your goals, target audience, marketing approach, budget, and operational plan. Free AI like ChatGPT can help draft a professional business plan by prompting it with your specific needs. Example prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a small flower shop in your location, including an executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. The AI will generate a structured plan you can customize further. This saves hours of research and writing, giving you a solid roadmap. Step 3. Choose your business model and services. Decide whether you want to operate a physical storefront, an online-only shop, or a hybrid. Also, determine what services you'll offer, such as custom bouquets, event decoration, delivery, or subscriptions. AI can help evaluate the pros and cons of different business models based on your market. Example prompt. Compare the benefits and challenges of running a physical flower shop versus an online flower delivery service in your city. Suggest which model may be more profitable. This insight helps you choose a model that fits your budget and skills. Step 4. Find suppliers and build your inventory plan. You will need reliable flower wholesalers or growers. AI can assist in finding local and international suppliers by generating lists and reviewing their reputations. Example prompt. List trusted flower wholesalers and suppliers for small businesses in your region, including contact information and reviews. AI can also help you forecast inventory needs based on expected sales and seasonal demand. This reduces waste and ensures you have a right stock. Step 5. Design your brand identity. Your brand includes your shop's name, logo, colors, and overall style. Use free AI design tools such as Canva, which has a free version, combined with ChatGPT for creative brainstorming. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest unique and catchy flower shop business names with brief descriptions and tagline ideas. Once you pick a name, use Canva's logo maker to create a professional logo quickly without design experience. AI tools can generate color palettes and style guides that match your brand personality. Step 6. Build your online presence. Even if you have a physical store, a website and social media are essential. Free AI website builders like Wix's AI tool or Zyro can create a professional website fast by asking you a few questions about your business. Example prompt for ChatGPT to help with website content. Write an engaging homepage introduction for a flower shop that specializes in custom bouquets and event decoration. Use AI to generate social media posts, captions, and hashtags tailored for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, helping you attract and engage customers regularly. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. Effective marketing drives customers to your shop. Use AI to create detailed marketing plans, including social media campaigns, local ads, influencer partnerships, and promotions. Example prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a new flower shop targeting millennials and event planners in your city, including online and offline tactics. You can also generate content calendars, email newsletter drafts, and advertising copy with AI, saving time and ensuring consistent messaging. Step 8. Set up business operations. Running your flower shop smoothly requires organization. Use AI-powered tools for scheduling, inventory management, customer relationship management, CRM, and accounting. While some tools are paid, many offer free tiers perfect for startups. For example, use Google Sheets with AI formulas for inventory tracking or HubSpot CRM's free plan for customer management. You can prompt ChatGPT to help set up templates. Create an inventory tracking spreadsheet template for a flower shop that tracks flower types, quantities, and supplier details. Step 9. Prepare for launch and customer service. Before opening, plan a launch event or special promotions to attract attention. Use AI to draft press releases, event invitations, and social media announcements. Example prompt. Write a press release announcing the grand opening of a flower shop in your location, highlighting unique services and special offers. Also, use AI chatbots like ChatGPT embedded on your website or Facebook Messenger to handle common customer queries instantly, improving customer experience without needing staff 24/7. Step 10. Monitor performance and adjust. After launching, regularly track your sales, customer feedback, and marketing results. Use AI analytics tools or input data into ChatGPT for insights and improvement suggestions. Example prompt. Analyze this monthly sales data for a flower shop and suggest ways to increase revenue and reduce costs. Being data-driven helps you refine your business strategy and grow steadily. Conclusion. Starting a flower shop business today is easier and more efficient with the help of free AI tools. From initial market research and business planning to branding, marketing, and operations, AI can provide valuable support every step of the way. By leveraging AI's speed and creativity, you can save time, reduce costs, and focus on what matters most, creating beautiful floral experiences for your customers. With dedication and smart use of technology, your flower shop can bloom into a thriving business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.